are at Llangollen Wharf boat trips in Wales, and we're here to go on a canal boat which is drawn by horses, can you believe? How exciting!
1884, Captain Jones started running horse-drawn boats along the canal. Using his pension from the White Star Line of Titanic fame, he purchased 2 wooden lifeboats from a liner in Liverpool docks, a couple of horses and an old storage barn by the canal. Over 130 years later, the horse-drawn trip boats are still running today. The purpose-built boats offer comfort, protection from the weather, and they do have wheelchair access.
I'm going to start moving very soon, and after we finish, I'm going to go give it a pet. Oh, we're going. I actually have no idea where this goes to, so I don't actually know where we're going. Isn't it funny this horse can just pull this boat for us?
Huh?
Look at it. Right, fix it off we go to pull another boat. Little trot, walk. Oh, this is nice. Look at us go. I know, this is really nice. It's really nice, smooth, a nice feeling, isn't it? Hello! We're on our boat. Oh, she's had a little poo there, hasn't she? Bet somebody gets annoyed by that. Here's me, I get on top of that horse and have a little ride. Wouldn't you manage both?
Yeah, because it would.
You reckon it notices if it's pulling it?
Oh, not once it gets going. It'll just float along, won't it? There'll be anything for it. I mean, you could pull it yourself, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Not as easy as that, obviously, but...
One horse. I am enjoying my horse-drawn ride.
It's wonderful, isn't it?
The horse is pulling us. Lovely life. So we're just going down here on the boat, and as you can see there's a beautiful horse which is pulling us at the moment, and it's just really relaxing because obviously like the water is just really nice. And we're going to give the engine a pet later on. Look at the grass down there, I don't know if you can see it, there's like
the rope.
Yeah, we've actually was walking. Suppose that's why the fence is there.
We are turning around. I told you it goes from there, and then it'll go. It'll get tied up, and we're just going to leave it.
Unless it's just got this whole stretch just for the horses.
Jane will blow the whistle or something, it goes a bit berserk, you know. Oh. Come on, man. Come on, go.
Big building. Hello, horsey. Look at him. Look at how beautiful he is. Are you hungry? You haven't done anything, you know. You haven't been out like the other horsey.
Did you just see the horse? Can she stroke the horse?
Sorry?
Can she stroke the horse?
Yeah, just a quick look. After what she says staff only, so you get me into trouble. Doesn't want to know where he's eating.
Oh, we're filming. What? When everyone had gone, I asked the man if I could have a stroke of the horse. He's swapping stables. He must always have preferred that one.
Done a whoopsie, that's why.
Wonderful time doing this. What a wonderful experience. We didn't even know it was here. We just fell across it and it was really nice seeing the horses, so we had a really good time. Thank you very much for watching this, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you see more brilliant videos like this. Thank you. Bye.